Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have some breaking news for you regarding the matter that we had previously brought to your attention that is proceeding in Latah County, the 2nd Judicial District. This is the case styled as Karen Laramie versus City of Moscow. If you have not yet had an opportunity to learn about this proceeding, Ms. Laramie is the mother of Madison Mogen, and she filed the action in Latah County, the 2nd Judicial District, and successfully received a temporary restraining order in this action against the City of Moscow. Please do. It will provide you with further details regarding what the objective of this proceeding is, the temporary restraining order that has been rendered, the court hearing before Judge Marshall that is currently scheduled to occur via Zoom, and other related matters. In checking the court docket today, we have noted that 2 additional declarations which were not on the docket yesterday, when we notified you of the matter styled as Laramie versus City of Moscow, have now been included on the docket. These are declarations of Stacey, Chapin, and James Jim Chapin in further support of the relief sought, which is an injunction against the City of Moscow. It is believed that Ms. Chapin and Mr. Chapin are the parents of Ethan Chapin, who along with Madison Mogen were 2 of the 4 precious lives that were lost at 1122 King Road on that dark November day of November 13th, 2022, along with Kaylee Gonzalez and Xana Kernodle. A declaration is evidence. By way of example, at the very beginning of the case, December 29th, 2022, there was a declaration that was filed by Detective Brett Payne, also in the 2nd Judicial District, which commenced a case styled as Idaho versus Coburg, and it remained in the 2nd Judicial District, and Judge Marshall, who was presiding over Laramie versus the City of Moscow, presided over Idaho versus Coburg for several months, from December 29th, 2022 through May of 2023, when the matter was transferred to the district court judge at the time, Judge John Judge, who is now retired. Declarations are evidence. It's based on the declarant's personal knowledge of matters at issue in a dispute. What we do know is that there is a hearing that is scheduled via Zoom later this week to address whether this temporary restraining order or injunction should be more permanent in nature. I have placed a communication to the clerk's office in Moscow, the 2nd Judicial District, to determine if the Zoom hearing will be over the court's YouTube channel, for example, and broadcast for interested parties that are not able to attend the proceedings in person to watch. Just as many hearings in Latah County before change of venue happened were so broadcast. I was advised that there had been no decision made at that time and that a communication would be forthcoming. If and when we learn if this hearing will be broadcast to the public, we will, of course, advise you. If you have any comments, any thoughts, any opinions, please leave them here until next time. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.